Hello friends, myself Manjushree Gunjayakar from Sri Jain Vidya Prasarak Mandals, Rasikla Lemdhariwal College of Pharmacy, Chinswad. Now, in this video, we are going to study in detail about analgesic and antipyretic. Again, here we are mainly focusing on chemistry of analgesic and antipyretic. So, before starting with the definition of analgesics or antipyretic, one should know what is meant by pain. So, pain is the first manifestation of injury to tissue and it indicates the onset or result of disease. In man, most common forms of the pain are headache, neuralgia, chronic arthritis, dysmenorrhea, labor pain, pain of cardiac muscles, visceral pain, etc. The visceral pain, for example, includes spasm, coronary thrombosis, peptic ulcer, etc., which is not well localized, but the somatic pain, like pain in muscles, joint, ligament, tendon, skin, is better localized. Hence, analgesics are used to get relief from the pain. So, after that, we'll see in detail about the analgesic. Analgesics are categorized as true analgesic or narcotic analgesic or opioid analgesic. And the second category is antipyretic analgesic or non-narcotic analgesic, or it is also called as febrifuge. So first we'll see what is mean by true analgesic. These are the drug which decreases the sensitivity, or we can call it as a awareness of pain by depressing the central nervous system without loss of consciousness, are called analgesic or true analgesic. Next comes the narcotic analgesic. These are the drug which induce the sleep, but this sleep does not resemble natural sleep, that is produces the narcosis along with analgesic effect, are called as a narcotic analgesic. Next is narcotic analgesics classification. So narcotic analgesics are classified as broadly into two categories: naturally occurring analgesic and totally synthetic analgesic. So first we'll see naturally occurring. Example or the category is morphine and its analogues. Example is morphine, codeine. Totally synthetic drugs are divided into four types: morphine and analogues, benzomorphine analog, 4-phenylpiperidine analogues, phenylpropylamine analogues, etc. Morphine and analog example is levorphanol. Benzomorphine analogues example pentazocine. 4-phenylpiperazine analog example pethidine, and phenylpropylamine analog example methadone or dextropropoxyphene. Next, we'll see regarding antipyretic analgesic or febrifuge, which is the another category of the analgesic. Before that, one should know what is mean by pyrexia. So pyrexia is a condition where body temperature has been raised above normal. Antipyretic is defined as these are the agent or the drug which lowers the raised temperature and bring it to normal, are called antipyretic. So first drug from this category is morphine. Morphine. It is the principal alkaloid obtained from the opium. The partly dried latex from the incised unripe seeds capsules of Papaver somniferum is the biological source, and it belongs to phenanthrene class of alkaloid. It contains morphine heterocycle. Physical properties of morphine are: it is available as white needle-like crystal with a bitter taste, very slightly soluble in water, slightly soluble in alcohol, but soluble in boiling alcohol and solutions of alkali hydroxide. It is levorotatory and is monoacidic base. If it is available in hydrochloride salt, then it is available as silky crystals or white crystalline powder, odorless, having bitter taste and soluble in water and practically insoluble in chloroform. Next comes the stability and storage. Morphine is affected by light, hence it should be stored in well-closed light-resistant container. Uses of morphine includes for control of moderate to severe acute and chronic pain associated with neoplasm. Second, as a pre-medication prior to surgery due to the calming and sedative property of morphine. It is also used to suppress the responses to intraoperative surgical stimuli, used to treat the diarrhea, as the morphine reduces gastrointestinal peristaltic activity. It is also used to suppress the cough and to relieve the dyspnea of left ventricular failure and of pulmonary edema. Morphine is also used as a hypnotic when insomnia is due to the pain. It relieves the anxiety due to pain, and it is also used adjunct to anesthetic for relief of pain and to reduce the anxiety. Dosage forms are morphine injection, morphine and atropine injection, morphine and ammonium chloride mixture, morphine and ipecacuanha mixture, morphine and kaolin mixture, morphine and hydrochloride solution, morphine suppositories. Brand names are Zefrol and Cherana. Now the second drug from this analgesic and antipyretic category is codeine. It is also isolated from opium, but it differs from morphine in having methoxy group instead of hydroxy group at position 3. Physical properties of codeine includes colorless or white crystalline powder, odorless, bitter taste, slightly soluble in water and freely soluble in alcohol. Codeine phosphate occur as fine white needle-shaped crystals or white crystalline powder, odorless, bitter taste and freely soluble in water. The difference between the codeine and codeine phosphate is that it increases the solubility of the compound. Next is stability and storage of the codeine. It effloresces slowly in dry air and is affected by light. Uses of the codeine are: it is used to suppress the cough, to suppress mild to moderate pain, to treat the diarrhea, as an sedative and hypnotic, and commonly used in combination with aspirin. Dosage forms of codeine are codeine phosphate tablet, codeine and paracetamol tablet, codeine and aspirin tablet, codeine phosphate syrup, codeine phosphate linctus. Brand name of codeine are Glycodine terp Vasaca, Kosaka, Powerin and Kefex. Next comes pethidine. It is piperidine derivative, that means having a piperidine heterocycle in their structure. And apart from that, it is also having methyl group at first position, then phenyl group is present at fourth position of the phenyl ring, piperidine ring, and carboxylate group is present again on the fourth position of the piperidine ring. So the chemical name becomes ethyl 1-methyl 4-phenyl piperidine 4-carboxylate. Physical properties are available as white crystalline powder, odorless, bitter and slightly acidic in taste, soluble in water, alcohol and chloroform, and very slightly soluble in ether. Stability and storage: it is affected by light, hence it is stored in well closed light resistant container. The uses of pethidine includes to relieve moderate to severe pain due to the spastic condition of intestine, uterus, urinary bladder, bronchi, etc. Pethidine is also used as a pre-anesthetic medication, as an obstetrical analgesic. It is also used to relieve the abstinence syndrome in treatment of morphine addiction. Formulations of pethidine are injection and tablet. Brand name is Pethylorphan. Next comes methadone. Methadone, it is available. Physical properties are, it is available as colorless crystals or white crystalline powder, odorless, bitter taste, soluble in water and freely soluble in alcohol. Stability and storage of methadone is, it is stored in tightly closed container. Uses are to suppress the cough, to relieve moderate to severe pain, and for management of opioid dependence. Next comes dextropropoxyphene. It is structurally related to that of methadone. Physical property of dextropropoxyphene includes white or slightly yellow powder, odorless, bitter taste, very soluble in water, freely soluble in alcohol, practically insoluble in ether, and it is dextrorotatory. Stability and storage includes, it should be stored in tightly closed container. Uses to relieve mild to moderate pain. Dosage form of dextropropoxyphene is available in the form of capsule and brand name is Distalgesic. Next drug is pentazocine. Pentazocine, it is 2,6-methanobenzazocine derivative. Physical properties are available as white or cream white powder, odorless, slightly bitter taste, very slightly soluble in water, soluble in alcohol and freely soluble in chloroform. Stability and storage, it is stable in air but affected by light. Hence, it should be stored in well closed light resistant container. Uses to relieve the moderate to severe pain due to the spastic condition of intestine, uterus, urinary bladder, bronchi, etc. It is also used as a pre-anesthetic medication, and the pentazocine is also used as a obstetrical analgesic, that means analgesic during the labor. Next and the most important drug from this category is aspirin, which is also called as acetyl salicylic acid. The structure of aspirin is as shown over here. It consists of salicylic acid and the hydrogen from the hydroxyl group is replaced by acetyl group. Hence, the chemical name becomes orthoacetoxybenzoic acid. Physical property is, it is available as colorless crystals or white crystalline powder, odorless, slightly bitter taste and slightly soluble in water and freely soluble in alcohol. Stability and storage of aspirin is, this is stable in air but is slowly hydrolyzed in presence of moisture. Hence, it should be stored in tightly closed container. Uses of aspirin are for the relief of mild to moderate pain like headache, toothache, myalgia, as an antipyretic in chronic disease accompanied by pain and inflammation, for example rheumatoid arthritis. Aspirin is also used to treat the gout in high dose to reduce risk of myocardial infarction. Dosage form of aspirin are aspirin tablet, soluble aspirin tablet, aspirin and caffeine tablet, dispersible aspirin and caffeine tablet, and brand names are Aspro, Anacin, Coldarine, Majoral, Powerine, Codopyrine, etc. The last drug from this analgesic and antipyretic is paracetamol. It is also important, which is also called as acetaminophen. It consists of phenol ring, and at the para position it is having acetamido group. Chemical name is para hydroxyacetanilide or para acetamidophenol, or we can also name it by N-acetyl para aminophenol. Physical property of paracetamol are, it is available as white crystalline powder, odorless, with a bitter taste and sparingly soluble in water and soluble in alcohol. Chemical property of paracetamol is, when we treat paracetamol with ferric chloride solution, It gives a violet blue color because of the presence of phenolic hydroxy group in the structure. Stability and storage. It is stored in well closed, light resistant container. Uses of paracetamol are: it is used as mainly antipyretic, as an analgesic for relief of pain such as a headache, toothache, neuralgia, rheumatism, etc. Dosage forms of paracetamol are tablet, elixir. Brand names are Crocin, Metacin, Calpol, Paramol and Ibuplus. And the last drug is analgin. This analgin, it is 3-pyrazoline 5-one or 5-pyrazolone derivative. That means it consists of 3-pyrazoline heterocycle. Physical property of analgin are: it is available as white crystalline powder with yellowish tinge, odorless, bitter taste and freely soluble in water. Stability and storage is: it should be stored in tightly closed container. Uses are: it is used as an analgesic, antipyretic and anti-rheumatic agent. Official preparations are: it is available as analgin tablet and injection. Brand name is Novalgin, Oxalgin, Ibugesic. So in this video we have covered different definitions like analgesic, antipyretic, what is mean by true analgesic, what is mean by narcotic analgesic, classification of narcotic analgesic and in detail chemistry of the various analgesic and antipyretic drug. Thank you very much for watching this video.